Well, if I could get rid of these mosquitoes, my backyard would be amazing. I would be out here all the time just enjoying all the pretty things that I have going on around here. But these mosquitoes are quite bad, and I want to know, what do you do to get rid of mosquitoes, or like, how do you uh, get out in the yard and avoid these mosquitoes? If you have any tricks or tips or ideas or suggestions, please let me know. I do have a lot of shrubs in my yard, and I know that mosquitoes do live under the leaves and the moisture that's in the soil. So I'm not going to get rid of my shrubs or anything like that, but I wanted to know if there's something that you know of that I could do. Now, I did have a lady drive by one day, and she stopped to talk to me about my garden. And she did mention that I should get a bat house. Um, so, if any of you have ever had a bat house connected to your home before, let me know if you have any experience with that. She was saying that the bats will eat the mosquitoes, and they will keep the mosquito population way down. I'm not scared of bats, so I'm kind of open to that idea, but just wanted to know what your thoughts were. What do you do to control mosquitoes in your yard other than not having any landscaping? That's a no go for me. I'll just keep spraying myself with as much bug repellent as possible, but I would prefer not to have to wear bug repellent. I do wear long sleeves and pants and things like that so that I don't get bitten up, but I still don't like them flying at me. So, any suggestions that you might have, I would really appreciate it. Just put it down there in the comment section. Thanks, y'all.